मांडुक्य कारिका 2:6 says, अदावन्ते च यन्नास्ति वर्तमानेऽपि तत्तथा विदितैः सर्वथा सन्तो विदिता इव लक्षिता. That which is non-existent at the beginning and in the end is necessarily so in the middle. The objects we see are like the illusions, still they are regarded as if real. A thing, for instance, a mirage, which does not exist in the beginning and at the end, that does not exist even in the middle. What is apprehended as mirage is merely an illusion. This is the ascertained truth in the world. Changeability is the characteristic of all perceived objects. Changes imply non-existence in the beginning and at the end. Hence, all perceived objects are called illusory. Verse 2:7 says, "So प्रयोजनता तेषां स्वप्ने विपत्तिपद्यते तस्मात् अद्यन्तवत्वेन मिथ्येव खलु ते स्मृता." The utility of waking state is contradicted in dream. Therefore, from the fact of their having a beginning and an end, the waking state is rightly held to be unreal. The utility of objects in waking state, like food and drink etc., is contradicted in dream, and dream objects also are not useful in waking. One satisfied with food and drink in waking state may feel hungry in dream, and who has eaten in dream may also wake up to feel hunger and thirst. A glass of water kept beside the bed in waking state cannot quench the thirst in dream state. In dream, only dream water is useful. Verse 2:8 says, "Apurvam asthani dharmo hi yatha swarg nivasinam tan ayam prekste gatva yatheve susikta." The unique experience is a mere attribute of the experiencer in a particular state, as it is a case of the dwellers of heaven. This he experiences by going there, just as one well informed does in this world. The unique things experienced by the dreamer are creations of his mind that he sees by going to the dream state, just as the appearances of things in certain states, such as a snake on the rope or a mirage in a desert, are unreal. Similarly, the novelties experienced in a dream are merely attributes of the dreamer in that state, and therefore they are unreal. Verse 2:9-10 says, "स्वप्न वृत्तापि तु अन्तश्चेत्सा कल्पितं तु असत् बहिश्चेतो गृहीतं सदृष्टं वैतथ्यम् एतयो जागृत वृत्तापि तु अन्तश्चेत्सा कल्पितं तु असत् बहिश्चेतो गृहीतं सदयुक्तं वैतथ्यम् एतयो." In dream also, what is imagined within by the mind is illusory, and what is cognized outside by the mind appears to be real, but in truth, both these are known to be unreal. Similarly, in waking state also, what is imagined within by the mind is illusory, and what is experienced outside by the mind appears to be real, but in fact, both should be rationally had to be unreal. Objects, internal and external, are creations of the mind, whether they be in dream state or in waking state. In waking state, we make a distinction between real and unreal, and that the latter corresponds to all dream objects. In dream also, we make a distinction between real and unreal. We see unreal objects in dream and feel surprised when the picture wears off, which impression we consider unreal in dream itself. Therefore, there exists a sense of distinction between the real and the unreal in the one state as in the other. For the dreamer, dream objects look like real objects, and dream state also looks like a waking one. The whole of dream experiences is known to be illusory only from the waking standpoint. Similarly, the whole of waking experiences, including its so-called subjective imaginations and objective reality, is equally unreal from the standpoint of true knowledge.